Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is very important. How to confident in 7 days. Today we talk about something that can completely change your life. If you feel shy, nervous, scared, speak in front of people, don't worry. Because in this video I will show you how you become confident in just 7 days. Yes, only 7 days. But you have to follow this step seriously. So let's start. Day 1, change your mindset. Confident start in your mind. Stop thinking I'm not good enough. Start saying I'm improving every day. Even if you don't believe that, just repeat it. Your brain will listen to what you tell it. Tips: improve your body language. Stand straight, keep your shoulders back, make eye contact. Even if you are nervous, act confident because your body can actually trick your brain feeling confident. So as this way is very right, stand, sit, walk, and even the way you look at people say a lot about you even before you speak single word. Body language is the way of communication without speaking. It includes our facial expression, hand movement, posture, eye contact, and even our smile. Expert says that more of the 50% of communication is non-verbal. That means people understand you more from your body than your words. So if your body language is weak, even a strong word may not work. Body language is important because it builds confidence. It creates a first impression. It improves communication. It makes more attractive and impactful. Imagine two people saying the same sentence. Confident. One says it with eye contact and a straight posture. The other looks down and speaks softly. Who will you believe? Course first one. Your posture shows our confidence level. Stand straight, keep your shoulder relaxed, your head up. Don't bend a slouch. When you walk, walk with posture, not laziness. A good posture man, you look confident, strong and positive. Eye contact is most important parts of the body language. When you talk to someone, look into their eyes, not continuously straight, but naturally. It shows confidence, honesty, respect. If you avoid your eye contact, people may think you are nervous, you are not interested. So practice look into the eye while speaking. Don't keep your hand in your pockets all the time. Hand gesture make your communication more clear, more engaging, more energetic. But remember, don't overdo. Keep it naturally. A smile is the simplest way and most powerful body language. A genuine smile on make you look friendly, build connections, make people comfortable. When you smile, people think positive around you. Don't forget to smile. It's decided your future. So choose it wisely. Stop saying I can't and start saying I will try. You become what you think every day. Negative thought create a negative life. Positive thinking create positive action. Train your mind to see opportunities, not problems. Believe in yourself even no one else does. Your thoughts are powerful, so control them. Place fear with confidence in your mind. Growth begins when you change your thinking. Don't focus on what you lack. Focus on what do you have. Every successful person once had self-doubted. Your mind can either build you or break you. Speak positive words to yourself. Confidence starts with a strong mindset. Stop comparing yourself with others. Focus on your progress, not perfection. Change your thoughts and you will change your life. You are stronger than your negative thoughts. Powerful mindset creates a powerful life. Third, speak more. Don't say. Confidence grow when you speak. Talk to your friend. Ask question in class, even front of mirror. Don't wait to be perfect. Just start to speaking. Many people understand English. They can read English. They can also write English. When it's come to speaking, they become silent. Why does this happen? Because of fear. Fear is making mistake. Fear of being judged. Fear will what other things. But let me tell you very clearly. If you silent, you will never improve. Start speaking without fear. The first step is a smile. Just start speaking. Want to become perfect. Perfection is not starting point. Perfection is a result of practice. Even if English are broken, speak it. Even if you are mistake, speak it. Because mistakes are not failures. They are proof that you are trying. Just example. If you are going to the gym, if you go one day and then stop for a week, you will not improve. But if you are practicing daily, even for 10 minutes, you will see a big difference. So make habit. Sometimes the real problem is not outside. It is inside in your mind. You think I'm not good enough. I'm not imperfect. People judge me. If you don't challenge these thoughts, they will control you. So because your voice is your power. So speak more. Don't silent stay. Tips 4. Face your fears. What are you scared of? Always talking to new people. Do that one thing today. Yes, you will feel comfortable. But that how confidence is built. I want to something about control most people's lives. And that is fear. Yes, fear is a failure. Fear of rejection also. Fear of judgment. Fear of starting something new. The biggest question is, are you controlling your fears? Yeah, are you fears controlling you? Understand your fear. First of all, you need to understand one thing. Fear is natural. Everyone feels fear. Even successful people think fear. The only difference is they don't let you fear stop them. They face it, they control it. Fear is not always real. Most of the time fear is just in your mind. You imagine negative over, you think about failure before even trying, and because of that you stop yourself. So remember, your mind can create fear but also destroy it. If you want to control your fears, you need to fix your mindset, because everything starts in your mind. If your mindset is weak, from become strong. But if your mindset is strong, fear becomes small. So train your mind. Tells yourself, I am stronger than my fear. I can handle challenges. I will try no matter what. Most people try to avoid fear, but avoid fear mistakes it bigger. The more you run, the stronger it becomes. Instead, face your fear. Take small steps, more forward slowly, but don't stop. Fear appears, but when you take action, not when you think, not when you wait, when you act. If you are scared to speak, if you are scared to try, action is only the solution. One reason we fear is because we don't want to fail. But failure is not the end. Failure is a lesson. Failure is growth. Every successful person has failed many times. So don't be afraid of failure. Be afraid not to trying. Confidence is not magic. Confidence is built step by step. Every time you face fear, you become stronger. Every time you try, you grow. So don't wait to be confidence. Create it. Your mind to try will be excuses. It will say always, not today, or not ready, can't do it. But you have to control your mind. Discipline your thought. Focus on your goal. Instead of seeing a fear is a problem, use it as energy. Let fear push you forward. Let fear remind you that you are doing something important. Let fear remind you, because fear often comes before growth. So control your fear, view strong habits, speak, think positive, take small actions, take consistency. Your habits will shape your mindset, and your mindset will shape your life. So always remember, set your fears, don't let them control you. Set your mindset and you will control your life. You are stronger than your fears. You are bigger than your doubts. Stop overthinking. Most people are just judging you. They are busy thinking about yourself. So stop overthinking. Every small thinking. Overthinking is one of the best problems in today's world. Many people spend too much time thinking, or thinking that don't really matter. They think about the past, they think about worry about your future, forget to live in the present. Overthinking can make a simple situation very complicated. It creates fear, stress and confusion in our mind. Sometimes we imagine problems that don't even exist. Truth is, overthinking doesn't solve problems. It only creates more problems. So if you want to stop overthinking, first step is awareness. If you need to understand that when your mind is overthinking, whenever it is feel stuck in your thoughts, ask yourself, is the helping me, hurting me? Most of the time you will realize that thinking is hurting you. One of the best way to stop it, overthinking, is focus on action. Instead of thinking too much, start doing something. Action reduces fear. Another powerful thing, stay present. Don't think too much about the past or future. Focus on what you can do it right now. Remember, the past is gone and future is not in your control. Only the present moment is yours. You can control it, your thoughts, by changing focus. Whenever you are negative thoughts come, replace them with positive ones. For example, instead of thinking, what if I fail? Think, what if I succeed? Thoughts shape reality. Choose your thoughts carefully. Overthinking often comes from fear, self-doubt. You need to believe in yourself. Trust yourself that you can handle any situation. Even if you think go wrong, you will learn something. Another important tip: keep yourself busy always. When you are busy, you have less time to overthink. Do things you love. Spend your time with makes you happy. Work on your goals. So don't try to be perfect. Perfection is one of the biggest reasons for overthinking. Understand it's okay to make mistakes. Mistakes help you grow. If you are keeping thinking about what others will say, you never move forward. Stop worrying about people's opinion. People are too busy with their own works and to judge you. Want to let go to things can't control. Not everything your life will be accordingly to your plan. So relax your mind. Sometimes you need is a break. Give yourself time to rest. Write down your thoughts. It helps clear your mind. When thoughts are in your mind, they feel heavy. But when you write them, they become lighter. Always remind yourself, I am control in your thoughts. Don't let your mind control you. Control your mind. We make it complement and complicated overthinking. So firstly, stop overthinking. Start living. Take action. Stay positive. Believe in yourself. Most important, enjoy your life. Tips 6. Dress and feel you good. Wear clean and nice clothes always. Take care of yourself. When you look good, you are automatically confident. Simple but powerful. So it is a very powerful impact. When you dress up well, how you feel. Clothes are not just about fashion. They are about confidence. When you dress well, you feel good about yourself. And when you feel good, you perform better in your life. Your outfit is reflection of your personality. It tells people who you are without saying a single word. Dressing well does not mean wearing expensive clothes. It means wearing clean, not comfortable clothes. Confidence comes from within, but your appearance support it. When you look good, you automatically more confident. Always choose clothes that you feel comfortable. Always choose clothes. If you're not comfortable, you cannot be confident. Wear clothes that matches your personality. Don't try to copy others and create own style. Simple and clean outfit can look very attractive. Don't need too much to look good. Take care of your hygiene. Clean cloth, fresh smell, neat look make a big difference. Your body language also difference. When you dress well, you stand straight. You walk confidently. You smile more. First impression matter a lot. People often judge you by your appearance. So always try. Appearance is first. Introduction. Colors also play an important role. Bright colors make you feel energetic. Soft color makes you feel calm. Choose colors according to your mood and occasion. For example, for men's need simple and decent colors. Your clothes should be match the situation. Dressing proper shows respect for the place and people. Accessories also add value to your look. But remember, don't overdo it. Less is always more. Keep it simple and classically. Good grooming is very important. Take care of your hair, your nails, and overall appearance. Even a small things make a big difference. Like ironing your clothes, wearing clean shoes. When you dress well, you respect yourself, and when you respect yourself, others respect you too. Dressing well is a form of self-care. It shows that your value. Never underestimate the power of an outfit. It can change your mood instantly. If you feel low, try and dress up nicely. You will notice a positive change in your mind. Your clothes influence your mindset. They can make you feel strong, confident, and ready. Don't wait for space. Occasion to dress up well. Every day is an opportunity to look your best. Be proud. It's a part of your identity. Remember, fashion is not about impressing others. It is about expressing yourself. Wear what makes you happy, because happiness is the best style. Stop worrying about what overthink and others. Focus on you, how you feel. When you feel good, you look good. When you look good, you shine naturally. Always carry yourself with confidence. Confidence is the not more beautiful thing you can wear. And not end, but about perfect clothes. It's about how you carry yourself. So dress well, feel well, and to be confident, because you deserve to look and feel your best. Tip 7. Take action like confident person. Now act like confident of version yourself. Walk with confidence. Speak with confidence clearly, with a smile. Even if it feels fake at first, keep doing it, because fake confidence becomes real confidence. Confidence is not magic, it's a habit. If you follow this step in your life, you will not just change in 7 days. You will become completely new person. So start today, not tomorrow, not later. If you liked this video, don't forget like, share, and subscribe, and comment below. I am becoming confident. Thank you for watching my video.